How to set deal alerts on Amazon in 2026. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set deal alerts on Amazon in 2026 so you never miss a discount on the products you want. We'll go step by step and cover the easiest ways to track price drops and upcoming deals. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and sign in to your account. Deal alerts work best inside the mobile app, so make sure you have the latest version installed. Once you're logged in, tap on the search bar and look up a product you're interested in. When you find the item, open the product page and tap Add to List. You can add it to your wish list or create a new list specifically for deals. Saving products to a list helps Amazon understand what items you care about. Next, go back to the Amazon homepage and tap on the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right. From there, select Deals to open the Today's Deals section. This is where Amazon shows current promotions, lightning deals, and upcoming offers. Inside the Deals section, look for an option that says Watch this deal on products that are marked as upcoming or limited time offers. Tap Watch this deal, and Amazon will notify you when the deal goes live. Another important step is enabling notifications. Go to your Amazon app settings, tap on Notifications, and make sure deal alerts and promotional notifications are turned on. Without notifications enabled, you won't receive real-time updates. You can also use the Buy Again and Keep Shopping for sections on the homepage. Amazon sometimes suggests deals based on your browsing history and past purchases. The more you search and save items, the more personalized your deal recommendations become. If you want even more control, use the search filters in the Deals section. You can filter by category, discount percentage, price range, or brand. This helps you narrow down deals that match your interests. For major sales events like Prime Day or Black Friday, visit the event page early. Many deals allow you to preview items and tap Remind Me before the sale starts. This ensures you get a notification as soon as the discount becomes available. And that's it. By saving items to your lists, watching deals, and turning on notifications, you can stay updated on price drops and limited time offers in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.